This is a quick VLookup video where it's going to be comparison of columns between two different sheets in the same workbook. As you can see, there is sheet 1 which contains employee details, and there is sheet 2 where we'll perform the comparison using VLookup. Sheet 1 has various columns such as name, work ID, role, department, performance rating, and year of joining. We are going to use this particular column for comparison. So we have certain work IDs here. Now our task is to find out if these work IDs belong to a current employee or a new joinee. So if it belongs to a current employee, the details will already be present in this table in sheet 1, so it will give a match. And hence, if it doesn't give a match, it means it belongs to a new joinee. So let's quickly dive into VLookup. Uh, the first thing in the formula is to enter the keyword. And as most formulas in the computer world, like encoding and all this, it starts with a parenthesis, and the value to be compared is present in cell A3. That's column A, third row. So for this particular value, we are going to compare first. So we'll just put A3, and the values to be compared are present in sheet 1. It's a different sheet, so we need to mention that it's in sheet 1. And whenever we give a sheet's name, we need to give an exclamation mark. This is the most important part, because if we don't give this, it's going to throw up, it's not going to give you the value. Exclamation mark. And in sheet 1, the work ID is present in column B. To be more specific, it's present from cells B3 to B14. So I'm going to put in those values. Whenever you put a particular cell's details, you need to have the dollar symbol in front of it. So $B, $3, because it starts from B3. Two, generally 2 is given by colon. $B, $14. And always remember, it's not $1, $4. 14 is a complete number as such, so you just give $1 for that. And next, the values to be compared are present in only this column, so it's only one column. So we mentioned the number of columns, that is 1. And next we need to give either true or false. False is when you need to find an exact match like that of a work ID, and true is when you can find a not so exact match. For instance, $20 and $20.00 both mean the same. So in that case, you can give true, but for us, it has to be an exact match. So I'm going to give false. And whenever there is an open parenthesis, you need to close it. Now I click enter. Let's see what happened. Whenever there is a mistake or something doesn't go wrong, go right, you need to be cool, calm, and try to figure it out. So that's what I'm doing right now. Let's see if it goes fine. Sheet 1, B3 to B14. See, since it's present in sheet 1, the value has turned up in this using this formula for VLookup. So let's just check if it's in sheet 1, 8043. Yes, it's here. So this work ID is that of a current employee, so it's in sheet 1. Now to find for these rows, let's assume I'm a lazy person and I cannot keep typing the formula as always, for every single row. So I just pull this so that the formula gets applied, and if it's present, it shows. If not, it doesn't show. See? in a matter of seconds we got it. This particular ID, is not present in sheet 1. 3333. Yeah, it's not there. So our formula is working well, and so it shows not available, and these are present. So in this way, the VLookup formula made our task very simple, and it's just like a matter of 2 minutes. You can find the similarities for nearly like thousands of rows.